gray, dreary morning. I wonder what would cheer me up. Ooh, I know. Unboxing an RC car. Well, the good folks at Bezgar sent me this little bad boy. But before we get right into it, let's just discuss this for a second. Elephant in the room, if you will. Looks very similar. When I start cracking into this chassis design, I feel like I've been here before. Previous videos of my 1/16 scale MJX, I found it to be an amazing platform. The thing was durable, tough, it looked really cool, and man, I was really impressed. It was thoroughly one of the best featured and well-designed trucks of 2022. So why do I bring that up, you might ask? Well, you're gonna see in a second. So this is the HP161s. S because we've got a 3S battery inside of it and it has a brushless system. And this thing is 99% ready to run right out of the box. And I can tell you right now, it's a solid performer. Warranty activation. Huh, okay. I'll be sure to do that. Oh yeah. Nice. Tried and true. Beauty. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And I'm done. Basically the same thing you'll find in any MJX these days. Ooh, wheelie bar. Wheel wrench, screwdriver, charger. And this little deedly, it's a LiPo charging bag. That's cool. That's actually pretty great, especially if you're new to the hobby and you don't know how dangerous LiPos are and you don't want to burn your house down. If anybody's starting out new and wants to get into hobby grade RC, like, this is a wicked step, and this manual will help you along the way big time. Yoink! Yoink! It's a cute body shell. Ah, glorious. It's a 3S 1050 milliamp battery, and say what you will about this design, the modular design is handy for people who are just figuring it out. It's a lot less fuss, a lot less muss. You just plug in the thing, charge it, and kind of walk away. It fits in really well. You don't have to worry about adjusting straps. For a newcomer to the hobby, this is a really cool design. The 45 amp brushless ESC, nice big fan and heatsink that's on there. That's good. And I don't know what the KV is. Hold on one second here. Ooh, that rating's small. I need my glasses for this. Oh yeah, 2845, 4200 kV. Nice. And the make is Angry Snail. Angry Snail. Awesome! Which isn't a bad thing. That's a great chassis and really good components. Metal where it needs to be metal, plastic where it needs to be plastic. But look at that.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick ass boy! Damn!
Those are so chunky. So it's on sale right now on Amazon, and there's also a $50 off coupon. So that brings it about $149 mark, which is really good value for the money. With the Hypergo models, you did get some other things with it, you know, like you had that one-clip body system, which was really handy, and it also came with that GPS, which I felt was maybe a little bit gimmicky, fun, but not really necessary. So I cut all that stuff out of this model, but it's a brushless system, and it comes with a 3S battery.
spicy. Let's just see here. Let's see what she does. Oh my God. Okay, easy on the pull. Rapid. Wild. Reed. 39 miles an hour. Wow, he's wicked. I did not see you. Ah, you're fine. Pop your pop. Wow. That's a lot of sand in the pants. Wow, tough. Whew. Perfect terrain, man. Whoa! Ow! Ridiculous power. Almost too much power. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Ugh. Oh. Oh, I lost a hood pin. Well, what are you gonna do? Actually, I lost 2 hood pins. And it's a solid contender. This thing is great, tough as hell. Buy one, you won't be sorry. Give it to your kids. You'll be lucky if they can break it. Your kids will love it, but more importantly, you're gonna love it.